Unfamiliar to most of the world, Meizu is prominent in its homeland of China, where local users have been welcoming the brand's MX, Pro, and M series of handsets. While the former are meant to be the best smartphones Meizu is capable of building, the M series is where the company experiments with delivering the most value possible at a sub $199 price. The M series' third-generation flagship device, the M3 Note, goes all out, promising high-end smartphone features like a metal body, a big display, above-average performance, a competent camera, and superb battery life. Meizu's undertaking surely has us intrigued with its too-good-to-be-true character, and by the end of this review, we'll know exactly how much the M3 Note fulfills the brand's ambitions. Multimedia. The big display and decent audio will make for good times with music and videos. While the Meizu M3 Note's frail 3D performance will let passionate gamers down, its qualities are sufficient for smooth browsing and playback of music and videos. The big display and the speaker's decent audio output will give all that you need to enjoy your favorite shows and albums. The stock multimedia applications aren't superb, for the music player is full of foreign content and the video app is very sparse, but they can still do the job for non-demanding users. Call quality. A phone that's certainly fine for talking purposes. Voices from the M3 Note come strong and audible, but also a bit muffled for some reason. Both the earpiece and loudspeaker are sufficiently loud, so, most of the time, you should be able to handle calls just fine. Battery life. The M3 Note does last long, but it's fairly slow to charge. With its large 4100 mAh battery and economical processor, the M3 Note lasted for 11 hours and 6 minutes of constant on-screen use in our battery test, which is an excellent result. The smartphone takes 2 hours and 27 minutes to charge from 0 to full with a bundled charger. That's fairly slow, but acceptable given the battery's imposing capacity.